And oh, perfect timing. Also that. So in Indiana right now it's pretty windy. It's 9:03. It's like it's hail.
A series of severe weather events swept through the Hoosier State Wednesday night, causing widespread damage and leaving thousands without power. High winds downed power lines and damaged buildings, and the National Weather Service issued multiple thunderstorm and tornado warnings throughout the night. EMA Director Shannon Cooke said the tornado struck areas near Columbus shortly before 9 p.m. The tornado was first spotted southwest of the area and moved through the Ogleville area and the Jonesville fairgrounds. Several videos circulating on social media showed areas that have seen severe weather in recent days.
Perfect timing. Also that. So in Indiana right now it's pretty windy. It's 9:03. This is like the last wave of storms that we're supposed to get. Yeah. There's hail.
Reports showed damage from the storm's high winds ripped roofs off warehouses and toppled trailers near Waymansville and Rosstown. Near Advance, one report estimated the storm's winds were gusting at 65 to 70 miles per hour, with hail the size of quarters. Later in Howard County, high winds downed power lines at 300 South and 350 West, and reports from Kokomo said a tree fell on a home at Ohio and Virginia streets.
It seems to be moving through pretty quick, but this should be the last of it that we get. So we shall see.